Welcome to the Fifth Third Bank mobile banking app setup and navigation guide. Let's explore how this app can ease your banking experience. Follow these simple steps to download the Fifth Third Bank app on your device. Open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Fifth Third Bank, and tap Install. If you're new to Fifth Third Bank, start by creating your account. After installation, open the app and follow the prompts to log in for the first time. Let's dive into the app's features. You can check your balances, easily transfer funds, and pay your bills all from the palm of your hand. The main dashboard is organized and user-friendly. Here are the key icons and menus to help you navigate smoothly. Stay informed by setting up alerts and notifications. You can receive updates on your account activity directly to your phone. Make the most of your app by utilizing mobile deposit and managing your cards right from the app. It's quick, convenient, and secure. Your security is paramount. Always use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication to safeguard your personal information. Encountering issues? Here are some common troubleshooting tips to help you resolve them quickly. Now that you know how to set up and navigate the Fifth Third Bank mobile banking app, take advantage of its features for efficient banking.